Good morning everyone, we are from Varka School. I had to present a short skit. The title would be You Will Get to Know at the End. Here we will see fingers of hand quarreling with each other. The topic is Who is Greatest?
Hello, I am great. People will use me to say, keep it up.
No. I am a great. People use me to give a signal. I am an index finger.
Oh, you too. I am a longest, so I am great. I am a longest finger. How can you say that? I am the great because people wear beautiful rings on me. I am a great without closing when you cannot hit tightly the things. I am a little finger.
I guess they are not able to settle this quarrel properly. They need a judge to settle this issue.
So let's try to solve the matter. I am keeping this apple on a plate. You come one by one and pick the apple. Thumb, we will start with you. Oh, I lost it. Next.
This is too easy for me.
You too. It is not easy for me. Keep trying. Next. You lost it. Next. Oh, my little dear finger. Okay, now come together and pick up the apple. See, that's amazing. You need to understand that each one of you are very important when you all come together because unity is strength.
Yes, as it is well said, divided we fall, united we stand, and the topic is Unity is Strength.